Hey guys, welcome back to the shop, or as I like to say when I do these videos, the computer. Again, Harbor Freight is throwing a sale at us this weekend. Today is Friday, and this sale is good Friday, February 26th through Monday, March 1st. And this is a very good sale. This is what it looks like Harbor Freight is going to be doing now instead of offering the 20% coupons all the time. I think you know by now they've kind of done away with a lot of their coupons. But they are really kind of pushing the Inside Track Club program by making it more lucrative. And this is a perfect example. They are doing 10% off all weekend, one item. They say no exclusions here, but there is an asterisk, and it's a couple of things. Nothing major. Gift cards, warranties, and anything that's currently on sale. So if it's currently on the Inside Track Club, or if it's currently on the instant savings sale, then you can't use this coupon because they're already discounted basically. But anything else in the store, the toolboxes, the welders, the generators, all of the stuff that's normally excluded on that old 20% coupon is good to go here, guys. I'm going to be very honest with you. I think this is a great deal, and I think I like this way of doing things better than the old 20% coupon, because half the stuff I wanted to buy with that coupon was excluded all the time. Now, if they do this 3 or 4 times a year, the larger purchases on the things that normally aren't excluded that you want to make might be worth it. Let me just show you. If you are an Inside Track Club member, you get 20%. If you're not an Inside Track Club member, you get 10% off. So that's not quite the 20% the old coupon was. Honestly, it seems to be a good deal these days to join Inside Track Club if you are a current and frequent customer of Harbor Freight. But if you're not into Inside Track, you're going to need the coupon. So I'll click on it here. This is the coupon you need to bring with you. You could cut this and put it on your phone, take a picture of this. This is a good active coupon. This is good through Monday, March 1st. Let me show you a few things here that I have recently viewed that are currently available for this system. I am interested in getting a rolling tool chest for my basement shop that I've been rebuilding. And I've been looking at this one here, which is the Yukon. Let me drag it over here because I have him saved, and this is just about the height of my table saw. I could put this behind my table saw and it could work as an in-feed table to help me feed things in. It's 37 inches high. My table saw is at about 36. Wouldn't be that big of a deal to have the board a little bit that high for the first couple of feet it goes in. I could work with that, and there's a lot of good drawer storage here. So I need that down in the basement. So I had been looking at this, and I've been waiting for the sale because I knew a sale like this would come out. And this is the Yukon brand. I like the U.S. General brand as well. This would be $272 with the 20% off that I would get because I'm Inside Track. I'm going to go look at this. Those of you that have watched some of my current videos, this is a little higher at 40 inches high, but it's 12 drawers and it's US General, and I can get it in the yellow that my other 5-drawer rolling cart is. I might just go this route here. I could get this for $400. So that's another $128 I'd be spending. I'm going to go look at both of them, look at the build quality, and decide which one I like better. Honestly, because it's going to be behind my table saw and it's going to be a working surface type of thing, I might go with the cheaper Yukon because that has a wooden top, as you can see there, and I can use that as a little bit of a work surface, whereas the US General has a lipped top here with a rubber mat. I still could do work on that, but that's really to put another chest on top of that. This is like a base unit where you would put another chest on top. I'm going to check them both out, and I'm going to come home with one of them this weekend. Other things you can grab in this sale, guys, the welders, all of the generators, all of the excluded stuff. Everything that was always excluded before is now free game. Here's the titanium Easy Flex 125. That was just on the instant savings, but now it's on. It's not, so it's available for this 10 or 20% off. So you can get it for 280 or 260, depending on if you're inside Track Club or not. Another good deal. Any of the generators, the jacks, the new air compressors. I recently purchased a air compressor from Harbor Freight and did not get the 20% off, but I did get it when it was on an instant savings. So I don't know what would have been a better deal. I will do the math when I'm in there. I think it was pretty close to a wash. But anyway, guys, I don't want this video to get too long. I just wanted to let you know that Harbor Freight is doing another sale. It's 20% off for Inside Track Club members, 10% off for everybody, and it's no exclusions except for a few sale items and, you know, the gift cards and such, things that they, you know, and warranties, things that they never put on sale. So I hope you can get out there and grab yourself a good deal. Have a good day, guys.